Did you hear that? Oh my god, I cannot believe what has just happened. Hi everyone, welcome back to A Wilder Life. Today we are out on a fairly local patch for us here in Sussex. We've just come for a lovely evening walk and we're very much hoping that we might be able to see some barn owls today. Earlier this year we set ourselves the goal of trying to see all 5 British species of owl and it's halfway through the year now and we've only managed to find the short-eared owl so far, so it'd be really lovely today if we can tick another one off our list. I have seen barn owls here before, but it was back in the winter time, but if they've got chicks this time of year then they should be out nice and busy and bringing in food to the nest, so hopefully we'll be able to catch them on film. Woodland. If I was a tawny owl, I would live in there, but they might not be out until later, so we might not see them. Yeah, it's just beautiful around here. It's lovely. So we haven't seen any barn owls, but we've just had the most wonderful time walking around in nature this evening. It's just been so nice to get out and about. Sometimes it doesn't quite go to plan in terms of what you might be hoping to see, but we have seen buzzards and red kites and kestrels out hunting, and pretty sure we saw 2 hares as well, which was really nice to see. So we're going to have a slow walk back to the van now and watch this beautiful sunset and see what we might see. I cannot believe what has just happened. We've just been for a walk. Like, I don't know how far away from the van, like it did take us quite a while, and got back and just heard barn owls literally not far from the van. So just went round the corner and we've just been watching them for ages. One flew literally to the gate that we were sitting at and landed on top of it and stared at Sophie for like 5-10 seconds and then just happily wandered off again. Like, I can't believe it. That was amazing. Now, that was probably one of the best barn owl experiences I've ever had. I really thought we were going home today not seeing one, but that was unreal. That was really, really magical, and I'm so pleased we came out here, and I can't believe we've seen them. What an absolute treat. Really hope you enjoyed this video. We've still got more owls to find, so don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss those future videos. We'd also love to hear what owls you've seen and which is your favourite. Catch you in the next one.